Okay, here's what I come up with. I'll give you the tour. Now, in your drawing, which I don't have up anymore, but you had the refrigerator over here. I'd rather put the refrigerator over here so it's not up against a wall. Because when you swing this door open, it wants to go past 90 degrees, significantly past 90 degrees, in order to get the drawers out inside the refrigerator. So if I put it up against this wall, it's going to hit this, the door is going to hit the wall, and you wouldn't like that. So, but I can put a pantry over here and not worry about that same thing, because I got a little filler here, and the pantry door doesn't need to swing open as much as a refrigerator door. So this pantry would have roll-out trays in it, 4 of them, storage above. This would be a double pull-out trash with a drawer on top. This would be a 36 wide sink base, small wall cabinet there, dishwasher, bank of 4 drawers, stove, 30-inch wide stove, bank of 4 drawers. I have put space for ventilation. I could put cabinetry over here if you want, but I don't know. This must be an outside wall because it's got a window. So I think there would be a benefit to vent the stove. Wall cabinet. Wall cabinets will have adjustable shelves. Another bank of 4 drawers. Super Susan in the corner with trays that spin independently. Wall cabinets. See the crown molding? It's a similar cove molding to what you have today. Panels on either side of the refrigerator give the refrigerator a built-in look. Wall cabinet over the refrigerator. Island has all drawers. These are all 24 inches wide. So 24 inches, 24 inches, and 24 inches. You can get a built-in microwave and then have a drawer on the bottom. I think Sharp makes one that is designed for a 24-inch base cabinet. You can see the 2 posts I have and the 3 chairs or bar stools. So on the microwave side of the island, that's 24-inch deep storage. On the non-working side of the island, I've got 12-inch deep storage. See the 2 cabinets there. And one unique feature here is flush toe kick, as opposed to a recessed toe kick. But on the non-working side, which looks nicer, you have a flush toe kick. Then I have, just in case you need them, 2 cabinets. These cabinets are 36 inches wide each, and I have 2 drawers in each of the cabinets. I can configure this differently. I know we haven't talked about this much, so but that is what I've come up with. You can see next to the refrigerator I've got a bank of 3 drawers. If you think I'm on the right track, I can give you pricing based on what you see here. I know it might change a bit by the time you get ready to I think this is an addition. Do the addition. Certainly pricing might adjust because they always raise pricing after, usually raise the price after the new year. But I can give you today's pricing based on this design. If you think this is, I'd say at least 90% there.